Hello. This is how to make another one of my transforming Bionicles. First of all, you will need two of these weapons, 5 of these arm pieces, 6 of these hand pieces, 6 of the size 2 plus rods, 2 teeth, 2 feet pieces, 1 short connector, a headpiece, the new version, and a mask. Let's start out with the body. You take the short connector and put the size 2 plus bars, plus rods into it like this. Now you put the hand pieces on so that it looks like this. Now let's make the head. Take the headpiece and the rest of the plus rods, size 2, and put them into the head like this. Now take the teeth and point them backwards while on the headpiece so that it's like this. Now you put the mask on so that it's like this or like this. Now you take this piece, an arm piece, and this part right here, the nub, has to connect to right here on body. Now the other part connects to the head. If you hear that water, it's my mom. Now we start with the arms and legs. Put them on with this part on the hand pieces like this. Now you put the other hand pieces onto the arms, and you take these 2 leg pieces and put them on the legs. Now you take these pieces and put them right onto the hand pieces. And there you have the robot. This is in robot mode. I'm doing this video because this robot is very interesting. It has many, many modes. First of all, it has robot mode. Rah, rah, rah. Now, it can put these into here. Put this into here. And put these like this. Now, he can fly. Or skip across land. When he is in waterboat mode, you just tilt these just a little bit so it's like that. So now he can glide across water. Now, put the arms like this. Keep the head where it is, and put the legs like this. And now you have crawler mode. Now turn them around, and now you have digger mode. You can dig and dig and dig. Now, you put the legs like this, like this, legs like this. Now, you put the arm pieces
scanned that, emailed it to you.
And that
if
was
she
my mom.
needs it fast for whatever reason, I printed a copy of it.
Now you have skiing mode.
I did, honey. I scanned it.
And
I
now
emailed it to you. All you have to
you
do
make
is
it
email it to her, and
like-
if she needs it faxed,
Put
there's
the
a hard
arms
copy.
like this. And now he's ready to take off with the feet like this. Can take off and land. And then you go like, put this right here. Put the other leg right there. And put the hands like this. And now he's in cruising mode in the air. He can just glide across land, not skip. He can glide. And if you put it like this,
Because you make it stronger when you plan on putting it in. Yes, I do.
put the legs like this again. Now put the hands like this. Now, if you connect it to a different Bionicle, now he's a shield. He can block and actually hit people because of these. And that's it for this video. Thank you.